Hi, Edmond here. So there have been a couple of additions to the DevLess framework as of version 1.3.7, and yeah, I just wanted to walk through or just do a video tutorial on one of the um, key features that have been added, and that's creating an easy way to create a one-to-many relationship within DevLess, right? So I'll just jump right in and then explain this using an example of between a category and then products table. So I'll go ahead and then create the category table. So all we need is basically a name field, right, for our category, and I'll go ahead and then create the products table. So for our products table, we'll add a name, we'll add another field for price, make this decimals, and then we add another field for our relationship between the products and then the categories table. So this field is going to be a reference, and the table we are referencing is category. So I'll go ahead and then create the products table as well. Alright, so now we have the products table referencing category. Now bear in mind this is a one-to-one relationship, right? So per each product that we pull out, we'll be able to get its category as well, right? So I just want to walk through the difference between one-to-one and then one-to-many relationships so that we see how both works. So I'm going to go ahead and then head over to the API console. I'll open this on the side and select our test service. Okay, let's add data first. So I'll head over to data tables first, select test, and let's add a couple of categories. So first let's try shoes, then add one more category, let's say shirts. Alright, okay, so now that we have something for category, let's do same for products. So I'll go ahead and then add my product here. So let's say Nike shoes, or let's say strapped or something, priced at $12 or whatever, and the category we are choosing here is going to be shoes. So really what's happening is, yeah, we have the ID of the category as part of the product, but when we query, we can query for the exact category this product belongs to. So for shirts, let's say round neck, and we'll price this at 56, right? So now let's go ahead and then query and see what we get for this. Now if I query test product query, and for our query parameters, I'm going to try to pull all the relationships. So if I run this, now we have our JSON payload here. So for our strapped product, you see the related category is also pulled along, right? And so for our round neck, we see the shirts here as well. Now what if we want to query, let's say, a particular category, right? Let's say we want to query the category where the ID or the name is shirts, or did we do shoes? Let's try shoes, right? So we have a category shoes, but then we want to be able to pull all products with the category shoes. I mean, you could always use a where statement within the within when you're trying to query the products table, but it's easier if, let's say, if the user provides, if I pull the category, I'm able to pull the entire list of products associated to that particular category, right? So me querying category should be able to bring up the products. Like, how do we achieve that, right? Now that's when we look into the one-to-many relationship. And to do this, I'll head back to the DevLess instance, right? Click on the rules section, and I'm going to write a simple rule that makes it possible to achieve this. So I'm going to head down here during the before query section, and I'm going to create a relationship. Right, so I'm going to create a relationship between the category and the products table, right? So between these two tables, and I would have to provide the matching keys, right, for both the products, the category and then the product. So the ID of the category, right, is set to test category ID in the products table, right? So if I had one in this field or two set within this field for a particular product, it's referencing one, the ID one of a particular category, right? And so what happens is in products table, the matching field would be this, right? ID is to category, whereas products is to test category ID. And this basically creates the relationship between both category and then the products table. The last parameter I can pass in here is the related key under which this this thing is going to be stored, and I'm just going to make this products, right? Cool. And so when I head back here and then I run this once again, oh, you can, yeah. So I can only you can only run this, the create relationship, and after the query is done. So we'll put this here. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and then run this. Cool. So now I pull the shoes category, and then it pulls out every single product that comes under, that falls under that particular category. As a matter of fact, if I go ahead and then take out this where statement, now it should return products belonging to each and every category. So I run this once again, and for shoes I see the product I have under it, and then for shirts I also see the product I have under it. Let's go ahead and then add one more product. Let's see how this shows up. So I'm going to head over to test and then add one more product here. So v-neck, right? And then price this at 12. Okay, let's refresh this. So test product. I think the create relationship is having an effect on this. Let's see, not sure. Let's refresh this once more and test product. Yep, it's the create relationship is having an effect on the data table. So I'll go ahead and then add a new product, v-neck. Select the price for 49 and then make this shirt and then submit, and on comment create relationship line, and then come back, run this once more. So now for shoes I still have a single product, but now for shirts I have both products underneath within the related section of the shirts category, right? And so it's really straightforward. If you want to create a one-to-one relationship, well, that's easy. You just do that. But once you want to establish a one-to-many relationship, you use the create relation function to do that as well. Hopefully you find this useful, and I hope to see you use it within your projects. Thank you.